Hi, welcome back in Tarina channel. You can subscribe and click notification if you are not yet subscribed so you don't miss my next video. Now, I will tell about expressing purpose. If we see the formula is so plus adverb slash adjective plus a clause. Explanation: when so is paired with that and added a clause, it means to express emphasis. As a degree adverb, so. That modifies an adjective or adverb in the main clause. Cause and effect is followed by a subordinate clause, that plus clause, which expresses a surprising or remarkable effect. Okay, we see in the sentence for so. That. The man speaks so loudly that everybody can hear him. The food was so hot that I did not want to eat it. The sunset is so beautiful that we watched all time. Now we continue with such. That. What is the formula such? That. Such plus a slash and slash, plus adjective plus noun plus that clause. How do we make it in the sentence? Morgan was such a nice guy that all people like him. That man has such big feet that he has to buy special shoes. Fish and bread restaurant offers such delicious food that it is always full of people. Until here, I finish my explanation about expressing purpose. Thank you for your watching my channel. And remember, always stay on this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed so that we can continue our discussion about subject for national examination for senior high school in my next video. See you soon.